How to add flame burn transition with sound effect in CapCut. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open CapCut application on your device, create a new project and simply add two videos between which you want to add the transition of flame burn transition. After that, choose the length of your video. Take your cursor between the videos and click on overlay option. Add overlay and choose the video of fire burn transition. After that, you can simply manage the size of it. Then click on the overlay video and scroll below to the right in the bottom. Click on remove background and go to chroma key. Simply choose the color from the screen and you can see the transition yourself while editing the intensity. You can manage the intensity and shadow according to your desire. Then after, simply go to Splash and choose the option of filter. Now, go to the end flap of the overlay video and cut the length. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.